Hi, this is Sam with CJL Enterprise, and I wanted to show you real quick how to repair a kidney pad for an Alice pack. A lot of times when these pads come in, we go over and we check these buckles out to make sure these are nice and tight. But you'll see a rip or tear in the seam right here. Sometimes they're all the way, sometimes it's just a minor deal. This one's not real bad. Like this. And so what we want to do is show you how to repair this. It's an easy fix. You don't have to sew this. Of course, that's the best way to do it, is to have it sewn. But if you're out in the field and you have a tear or a rip and you want to fix either something like this or another part of your kidney pad or other things, we're going to show you a way to do this with some inexpensive supplies. One, I have paintbrushes. And these are cheap paintbrushes. I picked them up at I think it was Walmart or Harbor Freight for a couple bucks. They're plastic bristles. If you ruin one, it's no big deal. Okay. And this is a glue that we use. It's Bish's Original Tear Mender. They've been around since 1932. It's an instant fabric and leather adhesive. It's non-toxic. This stuff rocks. They have videos on YouTube on Bish's Original Tear Mender. Look it up, check it out. We use this a lot. It goes on relatively easy. It bonds to the fibers of the fabric and is waterproof. So, and once it's there, it's there. And we use this. And this is something you can get. They have smaller bottles you can get and you can throw in your pack. We don't sell this, so we don't have any connection with this company except that we use it, and we use it a lot, and we found that it works. And again, a lot of the repairs that we do on the packs and the gear, we've set up to where anybody can do this. You don't have to have a degree to fix a tear or a rip. You don't have to have a high-end sewing machine. A darning needle, a needle and thread is fine. That takes some time and can be hard on your fingers depending on how thick that the fabric is you're working with. But this is an easy fix and it works. So let me show you here real quick what I've done. A lot of times you can take the fabric, the excess fabric like this here where it's braiding off and cut it off, and then of course if it's real bad we'll take a lighter and we'll cauterize the fabric. But this isn't real bad, and this is an easy fix. So and this also, the glue will seal where the fabric is frayed from. Again, a lot of you guys have a lot of knowledge in this. This is just something we found that works for us. So I'm going to paint this on like this here. And I'm going to try to get it, and it dries relatively fast. So you have a large area, you want to do it piecemeal. And I'm going to take this, I'm going to shove the threads back in here like so. And get some on my fingers here a little bit, which is fine. And then I am going to hold this in place like that and let that dry. And what's going to happen is this will dry, it'll get sticky and gummy, and again, right now what it's doing, it's bonding to the fabric on both sides of the kidney pad there, along that seam, and this will hold true. If you see a few pieces, if you want to scratch, take that off, do it early on, because if you don't and you try to do it later, you'll have to redo this process all over again. But that will dry, and it'll dry hard right there. And there you go. And what you have is it's a quick fix. If you're in the field, again, this is using this product. It's Bish's Tear Mender. It's for leather and fabric. Some directions on the back will tell you about it. Again, you can tell this is a used bottle. We use a lot of this for different tears and stuff. We will sew different types of tears if we have to, but again, this is surplus, and we want to make this functional. It doesn't have to be pretty, but it wants to be something that you guys can use. And there you go. So now that kidney pad is ready to roll. That'll dry. It's already starting to dry just along the few minutes that we've been doing this. It's already setting up, and in about 20 or 30 minutes that'll be solid and bonded to the fabric. In about an hour it'll be waterproof. So there's a quick fix for you on a kidney pad. If you find you have some rips or tears in the seams and you don't have access to a sewing machine, especially if you're out in the field, carry a couple of these little paint brushes with you. And again, you can carry this tear mender, and they have these in smaller jars. And they normally have the little screw-on lid that you can squeeze out what you need, but we use this sometimes, and we need bigger bottles. So anyway, this is Sam with CJL Enterprise. Just wanted to show you a little fix that you can do on your kidney pads or your Alice packs if you have a tear. You can see us on the web at CJL Enterprise, ENTERPRIZE.com, or on Sam's Garage Sale. Thanks a lot. I'm signing off. Have a great day.